Okay, you're welcome. So in this video we're going to be looking at how you can create an ad account. All right, maybe you need an ad account to set up a campaign, or you want to create an ad account maybe to manage a client's campaign. All right, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an ad account. All right, while we move on, please do well to like, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share it so as many people that you know will need this video. So first of all, you log into your Facebook account, then you go to your Facebook ads manager. All right, that's facebook.com/ads manager. So I'm already in my ads manager account here. So you go to your personal ads manager account, then you locate your all tools. You go to all tools. Once you are here, you click on all tools, then from here you go to business settings. All right, so getting to business settings, you'll go to add account. So add account is under accounts, so you click on add accounts. All right, so in some cases, once you click on business settings, it may take you to the dashboard that contains several business portfolios. All right, okay, in that case, maybe you have several business accounts that you are managing. All right, business portfolio you are managing, so you have to select the business portfolio you want to create the ad account in. All right, but in this case now, I don't have much business portfolio in this account. All right, in this Facebook account, basically I only have about just one. Okay, so that's why it just takes me directly to the business portfolio. All right, but in some cases, if you have more than one, it's going to take you to the dashboard, and if you don't have at all, it's going to take you to the dashboard and ask you to create a business portfolio or a business profile. All right, I think that is settled. So you go to add here. All right, under the add accounts. All right, under the add accounts, so you go to add here, then you click on add, create new ad account, then you enter the name. So let's just say you type in the name, just type in the name. All right, so you select your time zone. All right, then you select the currency, okay, that you want to use for this account. All right, so I'm going to be using NGN, it's Nigerian Naira. Okay, all right, and click on next. So then you select this ad account will be used for my business. All right, so you can use this basically, since you're actually managing it on this Facebook accounts. All right, so just use my business. Right, then you move on, then you click agree. Okay, so after that you click on create, and that's all. So you're going to create the ad accounts. Okay, this account has been restricted, but this is actually the way you create the ad accounts. Okay, so I will resolve these and settle that, but that's just direct way to create your ad accounts. I think I've been able to address this. Thank you.